All right, welcome back to my shed. Today I've had a delivery from GoPro. Now, I've got two GoPros, one there and I've got one here. Now, it's a job with the batteries because I've either got to charge them while they're in the camera or whatever, and I've got a certain amount of time before the batteries run dead, basically. So because I've got a GoPro subscription, I'll probably run up a bit of the product information kind of stuff. So I decided I'm going to get a GoPro battery charger, and it has the battery charger itself, and it's also got two of the Enduro batteries, the longer lasting ones. Jesus. And this has come all the way from the Netherlands. So which wasn't bad, and I'll tell you the price now. I think the price for a non-subscriber was something like, actually I can't remember now, it's on the screen there. And God, the size of that box just for that, and that's all it is. I thought, I could plug this in, and I've always got two Enduro batteries which are available for me, so I can have two in the camera and then the two on the go. I've got some of the smaller ones, the normal, the old-fashioned GoPro things. Didn't think it'd be this small though. Mind you, I suppose it'll fit my desktop, on my computer or something like that. So this is a dual. Is this working? Let's have a look. Like that. This is a dual charger plus Enduro batteries, longer lasting plus wide temperature ranges. HERO11 Black, HERO10 Black, HERO9 Black. That's a 12, this is a 10, so this should do it all the same. These got Enduros on it. Oh, it says there, look, 12 Black compatible. On the side, lifetime warranty. Compatible with, and it shows you again. And that's pretty much it. Here's a picture of the GoPro charger. Now, how would you open this without destroying the box? Nah, you've got to destroy the box. So let's get this open. So in the box you get whatever fell in. Get rid of that. Stick that there. You get whatever that is. Instructions, if you can see that. Tips for cold weather. Charging Enduro batteries 100% before each use. Keep Enduro batteries warm by storing it close to your body. Installed in camera is fine when not using it. In temperature below -10, 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Recording frequent videos can warm the camera and battery to extend performance. On my shed on a sunny day. What's this do? This is just a mass of lighting. Not sure what that does, to be honest with you. What's wrong with this today? So anyway, this is just a mass of writing. I'm not going to read that, sorry. So you get a nicely shaped box. And that's it with the box. It's not going back in there, so I'll go in the recycle bin. You get two wraps around the batteries. You get two Enduro batteries, which are there. And you get the... God, it's tiny. I don't think... Look at that. That is so tiny. You see? Oh, by the way, if you've watched my monitor that I got from, what's it called? AliExpress. I'm using that monitor with that GoPro. So that's probably the cheapest monitor I've ever bought that works with a GoPro. So when I'm looking at you, I can look behind the camera and I can actually see, give you the frame and all that. So you've got a good framing kind of thing. So pretty much when you start, and that's it. So anyway, back to this. Quality-wise, it's what you expect from a GoPro. It's got a USB. Let's see how long this USB is. Let's have a look and get this open. not very long. I'd say 30, 40, 50 centimeters at a push. So it's got USB-C there, and you'll click USB-C into that, and that'll go into a USB charger. You don't get the charging adapter anymore. I mean, once upon a time, if you bought one of these, you get a plug as well, but now you don't for some reason. These will go in, just as it says. Will go in like that. Nice, snug, tight fit. That one's there, and this one is, let's have a look, there, like so. That one doesn't seem as snug as this one. Maybe it's because it's new. Is that in frame? Yeah. You can see the little tiny lights there. One there, one there. Oh, have I got anything here that'll charge this? Back now. Okay, back again, and what I've got here is just an in-tempo power bank. Output 5 volts, 2.1 amps. So let's see if that'll charge that. One thinking is if you can just take it on the go with you, and if you can plug it in a power bank, you can use it on the go then, and then recharge it as you're using the others. So let's see what that does. That comes on. Yeah, look at that. So them two lights there. So that orange saying there's charging. So you can technically charge this on the go, which is ideal. You know, you can plug it in. You know, if you got, I've got a 20,000 milliamp hour, whatever the hell you call it, huge brick of a power charger. I actually use it to power my internet in the shed. I've got a little internet bouncer, so that's what that does. That's running off the old what's it called? Set-top box I got from AliExpress for £1.98. So yeah, and that's it really. So you can sit that there and leave it, and that'll probably charge them both. So this was, like I said, I think I paid about 47 quid for it. I mean, it's a lot of money. I mean, you can go on eBay and get something very similar to this with Enduro batteries and get some fake ones, and that will last you probably 20 minutes. I wanted to buy the original GoPro, so at least I know then I've got some decent power, you know, to rely on, rather than you go in and you do some filming or shooting or whatever it is and you run out of batteries. So if you like this video, please like the video. If you haven't subscribed already, do me a favor, get me to 500. Just hit the subscribe. And thank you to the ones that have already subscribed since I've started this campaign to get to 500. I really appreciate it. Write a message on this channel, on the video, and I will always answer them, good or bad. If it's really bad, you get booted, to be honest, you get banned and you're not seen on the channel again. But I could take constructive criticism just as much as anyone else. So until the next time, take care. Bye-bye.